The HTC U11 versus the Sony Xperia XZ Premium. Now both of these phones have been updated to Oreo Android 8.0. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on both at the same time and see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go! And we are in! There you go, Easter egg for you. So there's nothing in the background, so let's get started with the messaging app. Maybe the premium on that one, camera. And very close, calculator on both. You guys be the judge. The clock. The Play Store. Let's open this Lyft app and leave it there. eBay on both phones. Man, these two are neck and neck. Leave it on that page. Amazon shopping. Ooh, very close. Open these headphones and leave it on this page. Adobe Acrobat Reader. Maybe a premium by a split second speed test app. And give this to the U11. Go ahead and run a speed test real fast. Mario Run. Let's see which one loads this game first. And we have the U11 slide out in front. Tap to begin real fast and leave it there. Angry Birds 2. Premium slightly ahead. Will the U11 overtake it? It does not. The Sony XZ Premium a little bit faster on this game. Stop the game right there. Subway Surf. Both are loading. And ooh, very close. Tap to play a little bit and stop the game. Temple Run 2. Loading on both. And which one is ahead here? Both are very close. And the XZ Premium a little bit ahead. Will play a little bit and stop the game. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Twitter on both phones. And very close. And Snapchat. U11 again. Look at the multitasking on both phones. Everything is in the background as you can see. Twitter, ready to tweet. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Ready to continue on this premium, and the U11 is crashing for some reason. Temple Run 2. Ready to resume on both devices. Subway Surf. Ready to resume as well. Angry Birds 2. Ready to continue. Mario Run. Right where we left this game off, still in RAM. The speed test app, still in RAM also. Adobe Acrobat Reader is still in RAM. Amazon shopping, right where we left it off. eBay on both phones. And this app's ready to go. A little bit of a stutter on the U11. Play Store on both phones. Right on that Lyft app. Clock on both. There you go. A little bit of a delay on the premium. The calculator. Still in the memory. We have the camera. Messaging app. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Sony boy rocking your XZ Premium with a 4K display and front firing stereo speakers? Are you looking forward to the new XZ Pro that's gonna come out later this year? Or are you a loyal fan of HTC rocking the U11 or the U11 Plus? This phone is pretty good in its own right. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.